again. Got another video coming out. This time we're going to show you how to highlight the Xandri dust using some Morghast Bone. It's fairly simple. You'll notice there's no background noise this week. That's because I've turned my heater off this time, so you can probably hear me a bit better. So all we're going to do is just do a little edge highlighting with some Morghast Bone. So we're going to catch all the Xandri dust parts, the edges, and just touch up where we want the highlights to occur, like the top of the bolts, and some of the edges where we just slide the brush down the edge like that. And again, just along the top. I would also just do this on some of the bolts that you've started to show the previous paintwork through as well, just to give a bit of highlight and depth on these. And we'll come back to this when it's done. And that's the highlights done with the Morghast Brown. So as you can see, pretty much finished. We've got a few other bits we want to do though, so come back next week and I'll show you what we're going to do with the green, and then following that we're going to do some battle damage. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and if you do, subscribe and like. Thanks.